The power of respect. Once there was a young girl named Maya who lived in a small town. Maya believed in a power of give respect, take respect. She treated everyone she met with kindness and respect regardless of their age or background. One day Maya encountered a grumpy old man who was always rude to others. Instead of reacting with anger, Maya continued to treat with him with respect and kindness. Gradually, the old man's behavior started to change. He realized the impact of Maya's respectful attitude and began treating others with kindness as well. This story reminds us that respect can have a transformative effects on people's lives, keep spreading kindness and respect.